If you're looking for the best affiliate program to join in this year, you are in the right place, my friend, because what I'm going to be sharing with you is exactly what you need to know to make the right decision and join the best affiliate program for you. Now, this video is going to be different than some of the other videos you may be seeing if you've watched other videos researching different affiliate programs, because what a lot of people out there are doing, and I hate to see it, is they'll do a title like the best affiliate program, and then they're really just selling the program that they're actually in, okay? So it may not be the best one, it's just the one that they're in. So what I'm gonna do instead inside of this video is I'm gonna actually teach you how to fish, so to speak, right? I'm gonna actually teach you what I personally look for after being full-time for 10 years now, making multiple six figures, what I look for, what are the 5 criteria that I judge every affiliate program I'm considering on joining through to make sure I make the right decision, okay? So the very first criteria you wanna look for, I highly recommend, and the one that I personally look for is at least, okay, $250 or more per commission, okay? I'll do per commish, okay? Right? $250 or more. Why? Because this is what's called a mid-ticket offer, okay? Mid-ticket. Now, this can go up to about like $900. The reason I always look for programs that are in this range, again, there's 3 main ranges of products you can promote. There's low ticket, which is anywhere from about $10 all the way up to about $250. There's $250 up until about $900. And then there's what's called high ticket, okay, which is like $1,000 and up to like, you know, $100,000 per commission. Now, why do I go for the mid-ticket, right? Why do I go for mid-ticket offers? Because you have to do very little work to make good money. So the problem with low ticket is if you're promoting a product that pays you $10, I mean, you need a large country of people every single month joining you virtually to make any good money. Now, what's the problem with the high ticket? Okay, because chances are you're probably thinking, well, why don't I just promote a product that pays me $10,000? Well, there's a couple problems. Number one, most of the affiliate programs are pay to play, meaning you have to actually pay to promote it. Okay, so unless you want to shell out, you know, $10,000, $100,000 to promote a product, that's a problem. And then the other problem is typically it's way more convincing to get people to part ways with a higher priced product. So either you'll have to do, you know, get on the phone, or you have to do Zoom calls, or you have to have a lot of conversation in the you know, messenger. You have to really convince people to part ways. But with the mid-ticket offer, it's still more of an impulse buy. Okay, people will still part ways with $300 with a lot less thought, but it really adds up, because if you just get 3 people a day paying you $300 per commission, I mean, that's close to $1,000. That's $900 a day. So that's the very first thing. The second thing I look for is speed of payout. Okay, so how fast are you actually getting paid? Because a lot of times if you go to, let's say, clickbank.com or jvzoo.com, maybe you're familiar with these places, you find a product on there, you promote it, you make a commission, you're often having to wait 2 to 4 weeks to get paid. Well, if you have bills piling up, if you have a family to take care of, waiting even 2 weeks is feeling like an eternity, okay? So I always look at what is the fastest program that will pay me, right? What is the program that pays me the fastest? And sometimes, okay, you can actually find programs that will pay you instantly, okay? Because what you basically do is when you buy into that program, it's almost like you own the rights to the products, and there's no middleman. When someone pays for that product, you get paid directly. So when they buy, you get that money instantly into a PayPal, a Stripe, a bank account. That's my favorite. Now, before I continue, I will share, because I know people are probably going to ask, you know, what program do I actually recommend with all this criteria? I will include a link directly below. You don't have to go to that link. You don't have to check that out and decide to join, but I do want to put it there for people that are interested and just want a shortcut that have all these criteria built in, okay? The third thing I look for is testimonials, okay? Testimonials. What I mean by this is I want to join a program that has a ton of testimonials of people crushing it, okay? So if it's a make money online program, if it's in that niche, work from home, affiliate marketing, make money online, if it's in that niche, the affiliate program, then I want to look for one that has a ton of people making money. Because if you saw my video yesterday, at the time of you watching, what the video was basically how to make your first sale in affiliate marketing. And I shared there's 2 ways to post on social media that are the best that I found to make the most amount of money. One of them is value, so sharing valuable information to your niche. And the other one is testimonials. Because if you show proof after proof, people cannot deny how successful that program actually is, and they'll be a lot more likely to join. Okay, this is called social proof. This is basically using proof of other people. And again, if you join a program that has a lot of testimonials, all you have to do is go in there to the Facebook group or the members area, grab a testimonial, post it on your Facebook, post it on your Instagram, and start getting people interested. Okay, so it's really, really powerful. And then number 4 that I always look for is training. Okay, training. Now what I mean by that is if it's a good affiliate program, it will have very good training. Okay, often in the form of videos, because it's for 2 reasons. You know, one, if you're brand new, obviously you want to join a program that's going to have good training. Okay, but as you get a little bit further, as you start to have more success with this and you start to get a lot of people signing up under you, you don't want to have to train every single person manually. Okay, especially if you dream of having free time. Maybe you only want to work about 30 minutes a day. You want to travel the world, maybe spend more time with your loved ones. If you're having to train every single new person that comes in, it's going to be a massive time suck for you. Okay, so if it has good training, all you have to do is when someone joins you, you just plug them into the program, and then they start going through the training on their own, and then they start making results, sharing testimonials, you know, et cetera, et cetera. So those are my 4, and then there's one last one I highly recommend you join, and that is one with a done for you funnel. Okay, this is crucial, and a lot of affiliate programs will not have this built in. Okay, the reason you want to ultimately join, or the reason I do and the reason I recommend you do, join an affiliate program with a done for you funnel is because, especially if you want autopilot results, if you want to wake up to making money and you're brand new, or you just maybe are not incredibly good at sales, if you can join one that already gives you a funnel, then you can literally just start using that to convert people into sales. So if you don't know what a funnel is, very simply, it kind of looks like this, like a funnel, right? Like a funnel, if you were to funnel like oil or water, you know, whatever. But in sales, it's just a funnel like this. So we start with traffic, okay, which is just like visitors. They go through here, then they become like a lead, okay, and then basically at the end of it, they become like a sale, okay? So this is like a funnel, and it's gonna be less and less. So you're gonna get a ton of traffic, less leads, and then less sales, okay? The point is that this funnel, if you're doing it manually, then chances are you're having to send people to your affiliate link, follow up with them because most people don't buy right away, et cetera, et cetera. But if you have a done for you funnel, what you can do is you can literally just take a funnel, a process of websites, okay, a page that collects your prospect's email, redirects to the sales page, and then has follow-up emails built in, right? So with emails and collecting your prospect's email address, you can join a program that has a funnel that will follow up with these people on autopilot. Okay, so I mean, some of these have up to 14 days, 30 days of emails that will start following up with your leads, selling them on joining. And you don't have to do anything. You just join the right program, right? So this is what I prefer, the done for you funnel. Again, even though I've been doing this for about 10 years, I still often will just use the funnel they give me because it's already been tested and it's already proven. And then I just start basically doing this, right? I go out there on social media, I start sharing testimonials, people get interested. They ask me, hey, what is this? Can I find out more? I just send them my done for me funnel link. They go through this funnel. The people that are interested buy. I make at least $250 per commission, and then I get this instantly. Okay, and that's all I do pretty much, So Anyway, if you're interested, again, I will include the link directly below because the link directly below has all this built in. Okay, so it's literally gonna give you all of this and you can just go ahead and get started today and you have all this, you know, done for you. But I really hope you got value in this video. Like I said, I wanted to share how to find the best affiliate program rather than just like trying to pitch you, you know, because you can do this for the rest of your life. You know, this is what I do over and over again as different programs come out. So I hope you got value. If you did, subscribe with the bell icon. I'm gonna be posting a video a day, just sharing more affiliate training. And also if you want me to cover something specific, be sure you comment below and I'll be sure to cover it in a future video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.